Hello and welcome to my look at AVATrade. This is without a doubt probably one of the oldest brokerage firms out there online. They've been around since 2006, so pre Great Recession, financial crisis days, which, there's only a handful of brokerage firms that are still around from before then. So that in and of itself is a testimony to how AVATrade has fought and has thrived. They are based out of Dublin, Ireland. So they follow the Irish regulatory body. They also are regulated in Australia, Japan, the BVI, South Africa, and mainland Europe. Being a pioneer, they've had a long way to go through trading. They even offer, you're just a ton of markets: bonds, stocks, indices, commodities, crypto, Forex, of course. And they offer quite a few different trading platforms. There's a MetaTrader 4 and 5. There's AvaOptions, which is just for options trading. They do offer options. AvaTrade Go, which of course is mobile, mobile trading, would be MetaTrader 4, and web trading. So all of that being said, there is just an absolute ton of information on this site. There's analysis, there's trading conditions. It'll show you each of the popular and minor Forex pairs, like the Euro, Polish, Zloty, Kiwi, Swiss, the Chinese Yuan, offshore Yuan. ETFs are available for trading. So you can look at, like for here, emerging markets index fund, the Brazil index fund. There's options for, there's like vanilla options for Forex pairs. And that, of course, in and of itself is probably a massive video just waiting to happen. There's spot gold, spot silver. So if you want that possibility, you can do that. Here's your cryptocurrencies: Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, Gold, Stellar, Lumens, Dash, Neo. You name it. And it's all CFDs, of course, so you don't have to worry about hacking or storage or any of that. Boons, Japanese government bonds are tradable. You can go to stocks, you can see, you're talking the biggest stocks in the world: Tesla, Netflix, AT&T, Citi, Walt Disney, Walmart, Snapchat, Uber, Rio Tinto in the United Kingdom. You can see it has a .uk there. Leverage is basically what you would expect from most brokers. It depends on what you're trading. So, for example, stocks, it's 10% margin is necessary, so it's 10 to 1. Commodities, it's going to be 100 to 1 in crude oil, 200 to 1 in gold, silver's 50 to 1 platinum, and this comes down. Corn, soybeans are only 33 to 1. That comes down to liquidity issues. For example, silver is much more volatile than gold on an average given day, so that makes quite a bit of sense. Indices are 200 to 1. And these are all the major indices: Russell 2000, Euro Stocks, Switzerland's SMI, Taiwan, Japan. So really, what does this tell you? This tells you that you have a ton of possibilities out there to trade the world's markets. Forex goes as high as 400 to 1, which is insane amount of leverage. So you do have to be careful with that. But leverage can give you massive profits, but of course it works both ways. So please be careful with that. As far as education is concerned, there is a ton of education, videos, economic indicators. It'll tell you the different types. Educations, like there's videos, assets and tools, advanced. There's just a ton. And this has all been built up over the last decade or so. So it's really not a huge surprise that they would have a lot. Again, 250 instruments, mobile trading, and of course the MetaTrader 4 and 5. They have automated trading platforms are available, trading websites in more than 20 languages. They do have world-class customer support, and have for years. Like I said, they've been in the game for so long. You only need to deposit $100 to trade here, or 100 euros. It just depends on the currency you choose to open it up with. The withdrawals and payments, they are done in a multitude of types. You can see that they offer the same in, same out type of situation. So, you have to obviously follow that. That's more of a money laundering thing. 100 units per account currency. They offer 4. So that gives you the ability to trade in either your home currency or something that you can get your hands on. You can do wire transfers. No PayPal. They do not offer PayPal right now. But they also do a ton of other ones, such as, Poly, Skrill, NetTeller, Union Pay, credit cards. All of the usual ones that you would expect to see. AvaTrade's been around for so long that it's not a question of whether or not you can trust them or whether or not execution is going to be okay. They have been at the forefront for quite some time. There's the AvaTrade Go app here, as you can see on the phone. And then of course it's MetaTrader 4. SharpTrader is their trading academy, so that's kind of interesting. You can copy trades from successful traders, and you can see just where they are located. I mean, it's just, these are the big boys out there. There's only a handful of companies that even kind of compare.